Alright, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. And it is Saturday, December, I don't know what day it is, but it's Saturday. And depending on when you watch this, it's going to be a different day. So, with that being said, I'm going to do up some venison steaks. I'm going to put a little bit of steak seasoning from McCormick, Montreal Steaks. I'm going to try that out. Then I'm going to take the steaks and put them out on the fire pit. I got a fire going right now, so it's going to be a while before there's some decent coals. And that's what I'm going to do today. I don't know, did I say it's 35 degrees out? It's for us northerners and for you southerners, 35 degrees this time of year is pretty warm for us. So it's almost t-shirt weather. I think I might end up taking this flannel off later on. So stick around. All right, all the steaks are ready to be seasoned. I patted them dry, and I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning the pieces. And then I'll put them in a container and just let them sit on the counter for a little while just to warm up, and then take them outside and get ready to put them over the fire pit. Spread a little bit of Montreal seasoning on there. Flip it over. These steaks are about a ½ inch thick, so they're not going to take long to cook. I'd be surprised if I actually flip them. Yeah, I'll flip them, just to get that nice little char on the outside. And you don't want to cook them all the way through either. Just like the heart video, I'll put a link right up here for the heart cooking video. You don't want to cook any of this meat all the way through. Like a medium well, maybe, if you want it done a little bit better. It's been a few years since I've had deer steaks. Stick around. Next little segment, there'll be me out by the fire pit. Alright, the fire's ready to go. So's the grill. Great. Stick these all on. Well, just that little bit over the fire already, that smells really good with that seasoning. Oh my gosh, and now I'm downwind. It smells even better than what it did before. This is actually the first time I'm winter cooking over a fire pit. Looks like it's ready. Some of them are ready to flip already. I'm going to give this grate a little bit of a spin just to keep it rotating. You know, like rotisserie style. I do believe these are done. Feel tender. They're not real tough feeling. That seasoning is so good. I'm gonna take a bite of this. No fork, no knife. Primitive. Fork and knife right here. This is so good. It's perfect. Just a little bit of pink. Not much. Oh, man. I love every bit of the outdoors. You know, my channel, it's me, Tom Keltish, and everything outdoors. This is everything. Everything from the outdoorsy things, hunting, fishing, trapping, cooking outside on a fire pit, over a fire pit. Soon I'm hoping to do the same with some cottontail rabbits. I wanted to do some rabbit hunting today, but I couldn't find any 20 gauge shotgun shells. But I found some eventually. So hopefully in the next couple weeks I want to hit the woods, stomp on some brush piles, and do some rabbit hunting. I'll have some more videos up, either there, here, there, or right here. Take your pick, of other food preparations like cooking deer heart. I did some smoked some goose breasts earlier in the year, this past spring. And I'll have some other videos too with a playlist for everyone to click on, for you to click on. So try cooking over the fire. Whatever seasoning's in here, it's got a little bit of a bite to it right now. I think it's the black pepper, which is awesome. If you happen to like this content in my channel, leave a comment. If you really like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And once you do that, there's going to be click the bell or tap the bell. Hit the all for more videos that I put out. I do have a joke. Hang on. You know, it's a dad joke, of course. But, you know, I never used to like facial hair. I didn't. But eventually it grew on me. Enjoy the little things.